want to talk to you for a minute. Not artists in general, but you. The one who's been circling the same decision for a while now. The one who says, soon I'll take it seriously. Soon I'll call myself an artist. Soon I'll charge what it's worth. Soon I'll show up the way I really want to. I know that voice. I've lived inside of it. And this month, working with a color that has meant courage and power across nearly every civilization in human history, I keep coming back to you. So let's sit with this together for a minute. This month I'm painting with ruby. And before I tell you what it means, I want you to know what it does. Ruby is one of the only gemstones on Earth that fluoresces in sunlight. It doesn't just reflect light, it generates light. Hold one up and it looks like it's glowing from somewhere inside of itself, independent of anything around it. I think that's the most honest description of what real confidence actually is. It's not borrowed. It's not reflected approval. It's a fire that's already burning inside of you, whether or not anyone else sees it yet. Burmese warriors used to insert rubies beneath their skin before battle, not just to be wearing them. They actually inserted them under their skin because they believed the stone would become part of their body, protecting them, making them unshakable. It gave them courage. Ruby was never meant as a decoration for them. It was armor. I keep thinking about that because most of us are still waiting for someone to confirm ours. Here's what I know. After 25 years of doing this, the recognition doesn't come first. The clients don't come first. The confidence doesn't come first. It's the decision that comes first. You decide, with or without evidence, with or without permission, with or without anyone clapping for you, that you are already what you've been waiting to become. And I know that feels backwards. It feels like you should earn the belief before you claim the identity. But that's not really how it works. It never was. The warriors didn't wait until they felt brave. They put that stone under their skin and they walked forward anyway. So let me ask you something, gently but directly. What have you been waiting for? More training? More time? More certainty? Someone else to go first? I'm not going to tell you those feelings aren't real. They are. But I will tell you this. Nothing outside of yourself is going to hand you permission. Ruby doesn't ask for the room's attention. It simply owns it. Quietly, without apology, without waiting to be chosen. That's not arrogance. That's sovereignty. And it's available to you the same way it was available to every artist who's ever decided, before they felt ready, that they were going to create anyway. If you've been feeling something stir in you lately, some restlessness, some pull to stop playing small, I don't think that's random. I think it's the same fire that's been inside of you the whole time, finally asking to be let out. You don't have to earn the right to be seen. You only have to be willing to stop waiting. If this is where you are right now, I want you to know there's a place for this conversation to go deeper. Inside my Patreon community, I teach a framework called the 10 Keys to Success and Living as an Artist. And the very first key is exactly this: deciding fully that you are an artist. If you're ready for that next step, I'd love to have you there. The link will be below in the description. The fire was never missing. It was just waiting for you to stop asking permission to let it burn. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy painting.